Hi freshmen, this is one of our last videos because this is one of our last weeks, week 7 here and 8. And so I'll post another video kind of sending you all off to our summer next week. So please look back for that. I guess I'm not really ready to say goodbye in this video. So I wanted to go over the assignments and then just check back next week for a kind of a send-off video from me. All right, so I'm in the remote learning folder. As always, I want to check the reading schedule. And here's what's interesting about this week. This is week 7. And week 7 will be this week, pages 65 through 83, or the end of chapter 223. Technically, our grades are supposed to be pretty much wrapped up by the 15th, and that would leave one final week that you really aren't in school for. And so that being said, we're going to actually kind of combine these weeks. When I made this reading schedule at the beginning of remote learning, we didn't really know what the dates were. No teachers did. And so we made it according to our normal calendar, not knowing that we kind of needed to be done by this date, the 15th. Okay. So what I'm going to do for this week is assign this week, and then we're going to make week 8, this final week, kind of extra credit. And so I'm going to put it all together in the folder. And so this final week is not going to affect your grade. Of course, nothing really affects your grade negatively, but this would just be a couple other assignments to do if you really want to get that grade up to the next grade level. If you're on the bubble, or if you've just really enjoyed the book and you're bored and you want to finish it because it feels right to do, then obviously do it. It would be kind of weird for me personally to read through page 83 and then just be done. I think naturally I kind of want to figure out how the book ends, and it does have an interesting ending. So just keep that in mind, okay? So if I go back then to the folder, our last one says the week 7 and 8, that extra week assignments, and here they are. The quiz from last week and the discussion, and then this quiz and this discussion, the final questions, these go with that week 8. Okay, so do these two first, and then if you're going to finish the book and finish the assignments, do these questions afterward, and that'll be kind of how we wrap up your grade. Okay. All right, so same drill as usual. You guys have been doing a nice job on these, just having thoughtful responses, long responses, right? I'm not asking you to do much besides read and take a quiz. And so that discussion piece kind of makes up our class discussion, some writing experiences that we'd be doing in class if we were able to. And so I really want you to kind of elaborate and justify your reasoning and talk about your answer in a way that sophomores, now that you're almost sophomores, would do, okay? Please reach out for any questions. Again, check back at the end of the week for kind of a send-off video from me and some final thoughts. And thank you so much for staying on top of these assignments. I've just been so impressed with everybody, participating and staying engaged during this time, and I'm really proud of you. I will talk to you soon.